Hello and welcome to another unboxing and review. Today we will be reviewing Juan Pablo Montoya's 2015 Verizon Chevrolet 14 Penske. Really nice car, so without further ado, let's get it out of its box. And here it is, trying to get it. So let's see. There it goes. Okay, there it goes. And then get this side here. And here it is coming out of the box. And finally, so we've got this collector card right here. And here it is out of the box. Really, really nice car. Not damaged, fortunately. So, really nice car. So, going over the paints, going over this car, we've got really nice car, I'll say that. This one I've been searching for a year. Really nice car. So, without further ado, let's go over sponsors. So, on the front wing, we have Hawk. Then we have here on the other side, we've got Hawk. Then on the side of the wing, we've got Hitachi. Then on the nose, we have Dallara, Verizon IndyCar Series, Shell, Bosch, Mazak, Pennzoil, Penske Truck Rental, number 2, Verizon Chevrolet. Then here on the side, we have Verizon, Firestone. Then we have, on the engine cover, Chevrolet, Shell V-Power, and Verizon IndyCar Series. On the rear wing, we have the number 2, Verizon. Then on the rear bumper, we have Panasonic, Firestone. Not Panasonic, that is PPG and Snap-on. So yeah, that's it for the diecast review. So thank you for watching. Please, so if I was to give this car rating, I would give it a 10 out of 10. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is Zachary Tinkle signing out.